Hello guys, I'm Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to learn how can we take input from the user or keyboard. So let's get started. Guys, we can take input from the user or keyboard with the help of Scanf function. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this Scanf function. Guys, this is the syntax of this Scanf function. And we will use format specifier in double quotes, and then we will put comma, and after that we will use address of operator, and that is ampersand, and after that we will use variable name, and at the end we will put semicolon. And these are the examples of scanf function. Suppose if we want to take input for the variable a and a is of integer type, then we will use a format specifier %d. So the first statement will store the value at the address of A. So it will take the input from the user or keyboard and will store at the address of A. And in the second statement, it will take the input from the user or keyboard and will store at the address of B. And obviously the data type of B is float. And in the last statement, it will take the input from the user and will store that value at the address of C, and obviously the data type of C is of char. Now guys, I think it is enough of theory for this scanf function. Now let's do some hands-on. Guys, in this program we will learn how can we take input from the user or keyboard with the help of a scanf function. So we have declared an integer variable a and we are using clr function to clear up the console, and now we are using this printf statement, and this printf statement will explain to the user what user need to do further. Otherwise user wouldn't know what is going on in this program. And now we are using this scanf function to take the input from the user. Whatever value we are going to take the input from the user or keyboard will be stored at the address of A, and then we will print that value using this printf statement. So guys, now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the value for variable A. So let me enter the value. I have entered 12. Then it is printing the value of A is 12. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now guys, if I want to take the input for the float variable, so we need to make few changes in our program. So I have declared this variable a as a float, and now we need to change the format specifier for the variable a in the scanf function, and then we will use this format specifier %f in this printf function. Now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the value for variable a, but now a is float, so let me enter the float value. So I have entered 4.5, and now it is printing the value of a is 4.50000 and so on. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now guys, if I want to take the input for the character variable, then we need to change this data type as char. So let's do it. Now guys, we need to change the format specifier in scanf function, and also we need to change the format specifier in printf statement. Now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the value for a. So let me enter the r and hit enter. Now it is printing the value of a is r. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.